Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome back to my channel. I have another Temu unboxing for you. And I just wanted to show you, this is one of the Temu shirts. It's a size medium. It has been washed and dried, and it's just as vibrant as ever. I do turn my t-shirts, anything that has a print on it, I do turn them inside out to wash and dry them. But I just wanted to show it to you. This gorgeous dragonfly pattern with the watercolor, and good as new, and it has been washed. So I'm really impressed by the quality of their items. So this shipment actually came in 2 different shipments, and I'll explain why. But here's another crazy perk from this website, app, whatever you want to call them. So this package was delivered separately, and I was told that it would be here between such and such dates, which this package did arrive. I think it came the day before or on the first day of those dates. This one was running late. I got a $5 credit because it was delivered the day after they predicted it to be delivered in. So if you order something and it runs late, they will give you money back for your troubles of having your order arrive late. It's unbelievable. The other day, I was watching a video, and she was recommending things from Amazon. I was looking on Temu for those same exact things, finding them for pennies on the dollar of the price. Same exact things, showing my husband. And then, of course, he said, yeah, but how much is shipping? I said, it's free shipping. He says, how can they afford to do this? I don't know, but they're there, so let's take advantage of them. So here we go. My first item, for those of you who don't know, I do have an Etsy shop, but I don't have a lot listed in it because I do craft shows, and most of my things I sell at the craft show. So I do make jewelry, and I have larger bags, but I needed some smaller bags for my jewelry. These were on clearance. It was 50 bags, which came out to $20.48, 40 cents a bag. Now, I didn't have a choice on the color. Like I said, it was clearance, but 40 cents a bag, I don't care what color they are. I'll take it. So yes, great buy. Next, to go along with my business, I wanted these thank you stickers, and these are 500 stickers. They say, thank you for supporting my small business. I know you can't really see what they say, but it's thank you for supporting my small business. And I got it in this like rainbow hollow color, and they were $1.88. Same thing on Amazon will run you $8. Then I got free gift, thank you for your purchase, because sometimes I'll stick little things in there like a pair of earrings or something. And I once had someone comment that they didn't order what was in there. And I was like, no, that's your free gift, thanking you for supporting me. And so I thought, I need to have something that says free gift. So I found these stickers. Again, it's 500 stickers. They say thank you, for free gift, thank you for your, what do they say? Thank you for your purchase. And it was 500 of these for $1.98. Again, same thing on Amazon, was $6 or $8. Crazy. These are coffee or teaspoons. I just thought that they were pretty. And there's, oh, I thought that there was 3 of them. There's 4 of them. And they're 2 flowers. This one has, I guess that's sort of a flower, and then a heart. And, oh, it does say 4-piece set. Okay. $1.88 for the 4 of them. Now, what I'm curious about, it doesn't say anything about care or anything. So I was thinking I might put one in the dishwasher just to see how it does. And I'll let you know if it tarnishes or anything like that. It just says silvery, so I don't know if it's like stainless steel or what, so I'm curious about that. Okay, to go along with why I had two separate packages. I think I had mentioned in my last video that I am licensed to do nails in the state of Pennsylvania, but I don't always enjoy doing nails anymore. And I've been reading more and more and seeing videos more and more about the press-on nails. And a lot of people have been hauling these press-on nails from Temu. So I thought that I would give them a try. And I'm gonna make a video showing how I apply them. I'm not gonna use the little stickers that come with it to press it on because I want these to last a good 3 or 4 weeks. So this set was $1.34. Thought these were super pretty. This set, it's little butterflies and then like a turquoise and white, also $1.34. And it comes with the little file buffer. You can see the pink buffer sticking out. This was just so pretty. I wish I had these for the wedding that we had just gone to. These were $1.47. What a beautiful French manicure. These are gonna be really fun for the summer. Another $1.34. And then these I just couldn't resist because it's red and classic red is always good. Another $1.34. They're a little long, but I'm used to long nails, so we'll see. I might save these for like November, December time. And then the reason why this was shipped separate was because it's the glue and I ordered the debonder. So I thought that I would try their brush-on glue. So this was $1.34 and it's MX Bond Ultra Glue. And I don't know anything about it. I just thought that I would try it. It was $1.34. And then this was a 3-piece set, $6.83. So it's like $2 something a set. And again, it's Magic Armor nail glue. I don't know anything about them, just thought that I would try them. And then this is the debonder. I thought this would be good to help me take the nails off. So this was $1.34 also. So just thought that I would give those a try. And then this just blew me away because I have gel lights that I want to say I paid $40 from Madame Glam for their light. And it only has a 30-second clicker timer. This has a 1-minute timer, and I think it also has a 99-second. Let me see, it says 10-second, 30-second, 60-second, 99-second on low heat mode. I don't know exactly what that is, but now the box did get crushed up in the bag, but that doesn't bother me. But what I liked about it, and I'll show you if I can get this open. The reason why I wanted this one, let's hope that my reasoning is right. Okay, so it comes with the cord. Oh, you know what? I'm curious. Okay, good. So it does have a regular plug. Sometimes these lights comes with the USB thing, and that's like useless. Like, what am I gonna have my computer there to plug it into? Or you have to get an adapter to plug it in. So I'm glad to see that this has a regular outlet plug. And then here's the unit. It has a little indentation here that shows that you can put your phone. And then what I was hoping for, yes, is it comes off. So you can take it off of this. So I have jewelry that I do the gel to seal in the jewelry, and this would be great to be able to take this off, and then wherever I'm making my jewelry, just use that, and I don't have to stick it inside here. I can leave it on the table, whatever I'm doing, and put the lamp over it. So I was very excited to see that it came off. And I did not tell you the price, I just realized. So this was $12.59. I can't even, like, there's no words. I mean, I paid $40. Now, granted, it was a few years ago, but still, $40 to $12? Come on. And it does come with the little direction thingy. So, very, very happy with this purchase. Whoops, sorry, Oreo. I know, you're sitting there minding your business. Mommy's all over you. Okay. This is a hairband accessory. I just thought that it was pretty. You can like put it on a ponytail and twist it. And this was 67 cents. So I thought for 67 cents, why not? It was cute. Oh, another nail accessory. These are lint-free wipes, and you get, did it say how many? 300 wipes, and it was $1.79. So I thought that was really good. This is a lipstick. This was $1.52. And people keep commenting on the packaging, and it's just beautiful. I mean, how cute is that? So this is the color. I have lipstick on. Actually, it looks pretty close to the color that I have on. So I'm curious to see what it looks like. Oh, I guess I should do a little swatch on my hand. Looks like it's going to be very pretty and a good color, especially with my hair color. It's hard to find a good color to go with red hair. I always tend to lean towards pinks, but they don't look great with red hair. Oh, this also is for my business. So this is 20 by 14, and it's white with gold dots tissue paper, $2.48. And I think there was 20 pieces in here. So this is, I knit and crochet things, so I can wrap them up and, you know, just nicer presentation. Another nail thing. This was 10-piece buffer set, $1.18, and they're just white buffers to buff up and take the shine off your nail to put on the false nails. So thought that would be good to have. And then 100 orange wood sticks. They're shorter than the ones that I usually use. I have the real tall ones, but it does the same thing. So what do I care about how short or long it is? $1.34 for 100. Can't beat that. This I thought was really good. These are Q-tips. The pink ones have a point on one end, and then the green are like normal Q-tips on one end, and then they have a white flat on the other end. It's round but flat. And then the blue is like ribbed, I guess, to help get wax out of your ears. But there's 300 in here, and it comes with the container, and it was $3.14. So I thought that was pretty good to have it with the container. And I liked the ones that come to a point. That's great for fixing eyeliner. And this I bought for a friend of mine. I know it's hard for you to see, but they are G clef, the music symbol, paper clips. And you get, how many were in here? It was $1.67. Oh, here it is, 20. So there's 20 pieces for $1.67. And a friend of mine teaches piano, and I just thought that these would be really, really cute for her. So I saw these and thought of her. And so I think these are the last two things. So these are 10 pieces. It's clips for my knitting crochet to help put them together. These were 89 cents for 10 clips. And this is to help me with when I'm seaming pieces together. So, oh, they're a little hard to hold, but that means that it'll clamp down good. And this will hold the two pieces together so that I can seam them together. And it was just a random colors in here. But again, 89 cents for 10. So I thought that was good. And then this is a 3-brush set. 3-piece brush set. It was $5.68, but it's for cleaning bottles, different size bottles, and I didn't think the price was bad for getting 3 pieces. And I needed a new bottle cleaner. So $5.68. I guess that might have been a little bit expensive, but I don't know. At the time, it didn't seem bad. So this was the last item. So that's it. I do have more things coming. So if you like these hauls, make sure that you press that thumbs up button. Let me know what your favorite thing was. And if you're going to order from them, this was not sponsored. I do recommend, if you're going to order from them, there are people that are sponsored and they have a discount code for first-time users. So I do recommend that you go and check out their video and use their code. Why not get the % off? But this is not sponsored by Temu. This was everything purchased with my own money. I'm just excited to share it with you. So please make sure that you are subscribed to see more videos from me. I just did a video showing how I take care of my air plants. So if that's of interest to you, please check out that video. I don't know how to link that. As you probably saw in my other video, I tried to link something at the end and it wouldn't let me do it. So if I remember, I'll put it in the description box below. But I'll see you in the next video and take care. Bye-bye.